Finding the right nail file can make a huge difference in achieving a perfectly shaped nail without damage. Whether you're looking for a gentle file for natural nails or something more durable for acrylics, today we'll go through the best nail files to suit your needs. From fine grit to extra coarse, we'll dive into the features, benefits, and durability of each product. Let's get into it. In the second spot, we have IBD Nail File. The IBD Nail File is a trusted tool among professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Known for its precision and versatility, this file offers a reliable solution for shaping and smoothing nails. Designed for use on both natural and artificial nails, it is a must-have in any nail care arsenal. It features an innovative design that ensures a comfortable grip and easy maneuverability. Key features: the IBD Nail File has a flexible and durable construction that provides consistent results every time. It comes with a medium grit on one side and a fine grit on the other, giving you a broad range of options to work with. The file is also designed with a non-slip handle, which provides extra control during use. It's also safe for use with both acrylics and natural nails, making it an all-around tool. Benefits and usage: this nail file is ideal for shaping nails to your desired length and curve, whether you're working on your own nails or doing a client's. The medium grit is perfect for shaping and shortening nails, while the fine grit smooths out rough edges and creates a polished, professional finish. It's perfect for both beginners and advanced users, as it allows for great precision in every use. Usability: the IBD Nail File is easy to use thanks to its lightweight, ergonomic design. Its flexible material allows for comfortable, controlled filing. Whether you need to file down acrylics or smooth out natural nails, this file is versatile and can be used in different filing angles, giving you full control during the process. Durability: made from sturdy materials, the IBD Nail File is highly durable. It holds up well to regular use, keeping its shape even after frequent filing sessions. Its longevity is further enhanced by its resistance to wear and tear, making it an excellent long-term investment for your nail care routine. Coming in at number 3 is the Mia Secret Nail File. The Mia Secret Nail File is another highly regarded tool for those who want precision and durability in their nail care kit. This file is designed to handle both delicate and heavy-duty tasks, making it suitable for natural nails, gels, and acrylics. Its high-quality grit ensures an even finish with each stroke, making it a go-to for many nail professionals. Key features: the Mia Secret Nail File features an extra fine grit that is gentle enough for natural nails, but strong enough to shape and refine artificial nails. It is lightweight and comes with a comfortable, ergonomic handle that ensures a secure grip during use. This file is perfect for those who prefer a softer filing option while still achieving professional-grade results. Benefits and usage: whether you're shaping natural nails or finishing up your gel manicure, the Mia Secret Nail File helps you achieve a smooth finish without causing harm to the nail surface. The fine grit ensures that you can achieve a flawless finish without scratching or damaging the nail. It is particularly beneficial for those working with sensitive nails or who need a more delicate touch for detailed nail art. Usability: the Mia Secret Nail File is easy to hold and use, even for extended periods. The smooth surface and ergonomic handle make it simple to maneuver, while the fine grit helps you achieve precision with every stroke. It's perfect for filing both natural nails and enhancements, making it a great option for anyone looking to perfect their nail care routine. Durability: despite being a fine grit file, the Mia Secret Nail File is quite durable. It holds up well over time and can be used multiple times without losing its efficiency. The strong construction ensures that it remains effective even after numerous filing sessions, offering consistent results. And finally, at number 5, we have Kiss Nail File. The Kiss Nail File is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Known for its reliability and efficiency, this file is perfect for anyone looking for an easy-to-use, effective tool for maintaining nails. It's ideal for both home users and professionals who need a dependable file for regular upkeep. Key features: the Kiss Nail File comes with a dual-sided grit, offering both coarse and fine options. The file is made from high-quality materials, ensuring that it provides smooth and even results every time. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, which helps with precise filing, even for extended sessions. Benefits and usage. The Kiss Nail File is perfect for filing and shaping both natural nails and artificial nails, making it versatile for a variety of tasks. Whether you need to shorten nails, smooth edges, or buff the surface, this file can handle it all. The dual grit allows you to switch between coarser and finer filing, depending on your needs. Usability. The Kiss Nail File is easy to handle and user-friendly, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. Its lightweight construction and ergonomic design allow for precise filing with minimal effort. It's a great option for anyone looking to maintain their nails at home or touch up a manicure on the go. Durability. Despite being an affordable option, the Kiss Nail File is durable and can handle regular use. Its grit remains effective over time, and it maintains its shape even after frequent filing. It's a cost-effective, long-lasting solution for all your nail care needs. Whether you're a nail enthusiast or a professional, having the right nail file can make a huge difference in your nail care routine. The 5 options we've reviewed today all offer unique features, but ultimately, it's about finding the one that fits your needs. From precision filing to durability, these nail files are designed to make your nails look perfect without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and product reviews to help with your nail care routine.